Hello again and welcome back to a new video. I'll show you today how you can reset the Windows 10 and Windows 11 password without the need of any software. Okay, so we have this Surface Go Pro 4. We turn it on. And we don't know the password, okay? Now what you do is, first you need to boot into the recovery mode. To boot into the recovery mode, you press the shift key and you go and restart the system. Okay, so shift key, you need to have this shift key pressed when clicking restart. Once you click restart, you can let go the key. Okay, you only have to have it pressed while you clicking the restart button. Okay, so if we've done it correctly, the system should boot into the recovery mode, and it does. Okay, now what you do is you go to fix solutions or whatever it is in English, advanced options. Now in here you have the command prompt screen. Okay, in here I'm not sure if you can see the screen. You have to type the commands are in the descriptions. Okay, copy, let me see if I'm taking right, C colon I'm not used with this keyboard. What the heck? Okay, yeah, colon slash Windows / system 32 utilman.exe space. We want to rename this. Okay, so we're gonna write the same thing, C colon slash Windows system 32 utilman.exe, let's say back. Okay, so we've copied one file. This just rename this file. Now copy the second command, C colon Windows system 32 cmd.exe space C colon / Windows system 32, let me see, system 32 utilman.exe y. I think it's like this, right? Okay, now After you just type these two commands, if everything is fine, you're gonna get one copy, one file copy, one file copy. We can now close this and we can now go back to Windows. Now, okay, let's wait. Okay, now what you do use, we need to open the command prompt. To open the command prompt, you go to accessibility and you get this. Okay, now in here we first have to identify what admin accounts we have. So we're gonna get net space local group space. Now for English you have to type administrator. If you don't know what groups you have, you just leave it like that. Local group, I just wrote it, local group. Okay, so if you just type it like this, you will get a list of all the groups. So because this is a Spanish version, in here instead of administrators we have administradores. So we have to type again the same command, space administradores. Now we have a list of administrators. Okay, one of them is administrator and the other one is the username. Now the command to change the password is net space user. Okay, not user group, we're not interested in a group, we're in a user. User, the account name, let's put the account name and like this. Okay, we're gonna get an error or something. Okay, it's gonna be like, okay, so what did you mean? If your username is only one word, then you just type it like this. If your username is two words, like in my case with a space in between, then you need to tell Windows that this whole thing is the username. So you put it like that, and now it's asking you to type a password. Let's say 12345. You're not gonna see anything writing, so don't worry. You just type whatever password you want and just press the enter key. It's asking you to confirm the password, so 12345 again appears that nothing has been written, but it has. So again, and now the password has been changed. So now if I close this window and I go back here, we said 12345 and that's it. So that's how you change the password. This only works for the local account passwords. It's not going to work for the window pass, for the Microsoft account passwords. It only works for the local accounts. But still, if you like the video, click the like and subscribe button. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave the comment below. In the descriptions, I'm going to put all the commands. Thank you. Bye bye.